Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here, right back at you. And how is everyone doing? All right, now the last video I did, I was trying to do a video right before Easter and Easter, but it's a long one and for some reason I can't upload it because I didn't buy my software yet. And it's only allowing me to upload like maybe 12 minutes the most. They say 10, but I can get away with 12. So I got my Beauty Society subscription box. Now, this is a new thing that any network marketing is ever doing, is this subscription box. Now it has full size, it has trial sizes, and it has some swag items, some cute little swag items like, you know, the regular subscription box does. So just sorry about that, thirsty. So what is so cool about this is that you get a code in there. It's $60 unless you want to be an advisor, and I could definitely help you with that, and it'll be $45 and you still can get a free box like a regular person. So the way you do that, because the first thing on here is the coupon code and what's inside. So this month's theme is home is where the heart is. Okay, and it tells you all about the products, and on the back it has a coupon code. It says home is truly where the heart is, and we thank you for inviting us into yours. We have also included a special code for being a Beauty Box subscriber. Please enjoy 20% off your next order over $50. So, and it gives you up to May 10th for this one. So what I'll do is share this coupon code for 20% off with my friends, and in each one of their boxes, just say 5, they're gonna get coupon codes, each of them, to share with their friends. And so I'll say, hey, you know, here's a 20% code to get your beauty box for 20% off. So it won't be 60. And of course I'll get the commission off of that. And then all my other friends. And then when they give this to 5 of their friends, each one of them will, you know, buy one, okay? So these are all your commissions, right? Even if it's not, you know, your direct friends, it'll be your friends' friends, and they'll get 20% off, and they might even like the products and might want to join the company. So that's what it's all about, and it's working smarter, not harder. That's why I joined this company. I'm so passionate about it because these items are a no-brainer, and my skin is so soft. It's not as red as it used to be, but I'll be working on these little guys because I'm getting products for that because they have stuff for it, and it does really work. But the redness in my face have subsided, which is really good. But that is how the company works too. And of course you can sponsor, and of course you can sell the products and get your commissions. And the commissions are not just 25%. It goes up to 45% if you don't want to build a team. If you build a team, it's 55%. So it's really, really great. I love all these products. These products are amazing. So let's dig into this box, shall we? And if you have any questions, comment below. Feel free to comment below and I can answer any questions. And if you want the 20% code, just let me know and I will put it down in the subscription. So I'll put it in the subscription and my link So you go onto my website and I'll put the code and you can get your box for 20% off. And if you want to be an advisor, you can join for $59 and get a launch kit, and also get this for 40% off, 45. So you can do that too. I'm not sure, I think maybe you can even use the coupon if you get the, no, I don't know how that would work. But if you just get, I know if you just get the $60 kit, you get 20% off. So, okay, enough of that. I just wanted to share that because I'm so happy about this company. I gotta share it with everyone. I want everybody to have a chance to try these awesome products because I'm loving them dearly. I'm loving them. So the first product that I want to show you is what I've been, I'm going to be doing a video on this. It's Saving Face Mask. Now this is the bomb. This plumps your skin, plumps up the wrinkles, takes away the wrinkles. This is awesome. This is a trial size, but you can get a lot out of this. At least 4 or 5 mask out of this. And this is the grab, this is the ingredients in here is Advanced BTX is 17,000 a gallon. So this is an expensive spa treatment at home. So, and the regular size is $59, which comes in your kit. So you may as well join my team. All right. Now, the next thing is the Drama Free. This is a full-size product of Drama Free. Okay? Full-size product of Drama Free. Now, this, what Drama Free does, let's see if I can get it on here. I think, read it from the book. Maybe read it from the book instead of that little thing. It's a serum. This is a repair serum. So I think maybe I'll get more information by Drama Free, which is right here. See? $59. So this is the ultra powerful cutting edge serum. Take the drama away from sun damage, fine lines, rosacea, scarring, acne, and laser or chemically treated skin. Powerful ingredients work overtime to bring back the youthful glow and continue to teach the skin to repair itself. So this is $59.50 for this. Okay, elite pricing is $50 if you get the elite, which is like a subscription that you keep getting every month. So, and what's cute about this box, it came with a little refill. How cute is this? Has like a little keychain. So adorable. So I got that. And the new product, and I forgot to even mention that the new product every month will come, so you get to try it out. Because every month we're gonna be building, what Beauty Society is selling. So every month will be a brand new product, so you get to try it in your box, which is exciting. And now this is a Sanctuary Healthy Bubble Bath. So this I'm going to read inside of my brochure. This bubble bath is sulfate-free, pink grapefruit bubble bath. We're ready for a fun and relaxing break. How about a good old-fashioned bubble bath, basking in the warmth and serenity of a bubble bath not only helps you relax, it is proven stress reliever and promotes a good night's sleep. Sanctuary Bubble Bath is made of all natural foaming ingredients, sulfate free, making it non-irritating and safe for all ages. And then it says it is formulated with green tea, I think it's a chia, to promote wellness and reduce inflammation. The pink grapefruit color is all natural from beets, and the scent is divine. If you don't want to use it as a bubble bath, you can do it as a shower gel. So this is the brand new item that just came out. Then we have hand sanitizer, which we need. So this is like liquid gold right now. And then I have salted caramel. And this is a new flavor out. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the scrub. Not too much. Doesn't need much. Sorry. Like that. It was a salted caramel. I'll get it in my mouth. So you just go. All right. So this is really good too. And you just kind of take it off after you rub your lips. And it gets your lips really smooth. Now the next thing I got is this little silicone basting brush. Really, really cute. So I got that. That's a swag item. And I got a little puppet. No. I got a little mitt to take hot. It's a hot mitt. Hey, where you going? Now try my beauty box. This is so cute. Now I got, and then I got measuring cups. Measuring spoons. So that's it for my box. So I got all these goodies. A recap really fast because my battery is dying. Sanitizer, drama-free refill, basting brush, the new item, product of the month, bubble bath, saving face. This is $18 by itself too. So even if you do the $60 or the 20%, you're still getting a good deal. Another swag item, a pop grabber, and tablespoons and stuff for measuring spoons. So that is it. And you get a free code to share with your friends. And then if you get 5 of your friends to buy it, you will get a free box, which is awesome. So I'm gonna leave the code down in the description. Leave my website so you can buy the next beauty box that's next month. It gets delivered the 15th of the month. So you have time for May's box. I don't know what the name of May's box yet, but when I do find out, I will let you all know. But hey, whatever it is, these products are a gem in itself. All right. Have a great day and enjoy. Be safe and don't hesitate to ask any questions. And thank you all. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Good thumbs up and have a great night. See you later.